Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem we're going to be attempting today is number 2413, smallest even multiple. So just going to read out the spec here. Given a positive integer n, return the smallest positive integer that is a multiple of both 2 and n. So, example 1, when n is equal to 5, the output is 10, because the smallest multiple of both 5 and 2 is 10. For example 6, 6 is a multiple of both 6 and 2. Note that a number is a multiple of itself. A number is going to be between 1 and 150. Okay, I'm just going to go over to my notes. So, and if a number is even, it is a multiple of 2. It is also a multiple of itself. So just return the number. Otherwise, the next multiple would have to be whatever the number is multiplied by 2. Actually, I've seen that there's hints here as well. Don't know if you can see this, but hint 1 says a guaranteed way to find the multiple of 2 is to a multiple of 2 and n is to multiply them together. When this is the answer, when is this the answer, and is there a smaller answer? And hint 2 says there's a smaller answer when n is even. There's a smaller answer when n is even. Otherwise, return 2 times n. Well, let's try this. Let's try this out. Let's see what we get. So return if n is divisible by 2. If n is divisible by 2, return n. Otherwise, oh, not otherwise, else. Return n times 2. Invalid syntax. Maybe it's just 1. Is it 1 percentage sign? Looks like it. Okay, so these 2 test cases passed. Let's submit it and see what we get. Accepted. So, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please let me know, or if there was maybe another way that you'd completed this problem, please let me know. I love discussing these problems and their solutions. So yeah, thank you once again for watching, and I hope you have a great day.